This unboxing video is for a Google Stadia Founders Edition package. It was available for pre-order in a limited edition run prior to the Google Stadia hardware launch in November of 2019. With the hardware package, Founders also got 3 months of Google Stadia Pro, the ability to select their gamer tag, and they also were given a digital badge to present on their gamer tag when they were playing online. So let's look at the box itself. It's cellophane wrapped still. This particular package you can't buy online. That's been replaced by the Premier Edition now on the Google Store. On the top you've got the Stadia logo and the Google logo in silver, and the silver and white runs throughout the design of the box. You can see the Founders Edition logo on both sides, and on the bottom you've got information about the contents of the box, and you've also got the hologram on this side here indicating it's an official Google product, and the marketing messages on the back. So let's dive in and open up the box. So I'm actually opening this upside down. There we go. So the actual controller is presented on the top here, and it's a midnight blue colour, which actually is the limited edition colour. It still has the orange accents like the Premier Edition has, and if you were to compare the two, they're exactly the same design. So orange accents, the ports and buttons are in exactly the same place, apart from the limited edition colour. So this is a dark blue. It's very fetching and attractive in colour. And in the box itself you also get the charging brick to charge up the controller using the USB Type-C, and underneath this neatly packaged box you've got the envelope, which has the welcome to the Stadia, and this indicates that that you would be one of the first to enjoy this product. Of course, I've acquired this after the launch, and you also get other instructions, but you also get stickers in the box which you can use on other laptops, tablets. And then inside the box, as with the Premier Edition, you also have the Chromecast Ultra and the charger for that as well. So looking further into the actual product itself, it's very similar in every way to the Premier Edition product. It's just in a very attractive blue colour. Thank you very much for watching.